are you? Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Hi, I am Mohammad Amdadul Haq, an assistant teacher of the High School, Sharasti Charpur. Welcome to our online school. Last class, I had discussed about what is voice, types of voice, rules of changing voice. Today, I will share with you about the auxiliary verbs which are used in the passive voice. Dear students, please take your khata and note down. The auxiliary verbs to be which are used in the passive voice are given below. Tense, passive voice. Present indefinite tense আসছে am is are, present continuous am being is being are being, present perfect have been has been. Past indefinite was were, past continuous was being were being, past perfect had been. Future indefinite shall be will be, future continuous shall be being will be being, future perfect shall have been will have been. There is no use of, generally there is no use of perfect continuous tense in the passive voice. Now I am talking with you in Bangla. Passive voice যে অক্সিলারি ভার্বগুলি ব্যবহার হয় টেন্স অনুসারে সেগুলি তোমরা খাতায় লিখো। এখানে একটা চক দেওয়া আছে, চকের এক পাশে আছে টেন্স, অপর পাশে আছে প্যাসিভ ভয়েসের রূপটা। প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্সে সাহায্যকারী ক্রিয়া হিসাবে এম ইজ আর বসবে, প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সে এম বিং ইজ বিং আর বিং বসবে, প্রেজেন্ট পারফেক্ট টেন্সে হ্যাভ বিন হ্যাজ বিন বসবে। পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্সে ওয়াজ ওয়্যার, past continuous tense was being were being, past perfect had been. Future indefinite shall be will be, future continuous shall be being will be being, future perfect shall have been will have been. আমাদের আরেকটা টেন্স পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স, সাধারণত পারফেক্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্সের প্যাসিভ ভয়েস হয় না। Now we are going to example. Mina makes tea. The sentence is in active voice. See the sentence. The sentence is present indefinite tense. The auxiliary verbs in present indefinite tense are and is are. Their object is T. It will be subject. T. Third person singular number is. Past participle principal verb made. Preposition by subject will be object meaner. Dear students, now we are going to do the passive voice The structure of present indefinite tense is the structure of present indefinite tense in the passive voice is subject plus auxiliary verb plus past participle plus by plus object অর্থাৎ প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্সের স্ট্রাকচারটা হবে সাবজেক্ট পরে আসবে অক্সিলারি ভার্ব তারপর আসবে মূল ভার্বের ফার্স্ট পার্টিসিপলের রূপ প্রিপোজিশন হিসেবে আসবে বাই শেষে সাবজেক্টটা হয়ে যাবে অবজেক্ট যেমন হি reads a book. Active voice. Passive voice. A book. The subject is third person singular number. Here is used. Is. Main verb past participle root. Read. As a preposition here is used by. At last subject will be object him.
না
She sings a song. Passive voice. A song is sung by the active voice. They help us. The form of passive voice will be we are helped by them. You can follow the rules of tense, auxiliary verbs in the passive voice. You can easily do the passive voice. Dear students, now we are going to present continuous tense. The structure of present continuous tense in the passive voice is subject plus am being, is being, are being. Past participle plus by plus object. Examples: active voice. the sum. সুমন অঙ্কটি করতেছে প্যাসিভ। The sum is being done by Suman. Dear students, now I am giving you homework. You must do the homework in the home and show me when the school will reopen. Now I am going to finish my class. Stay at home and be safe. Thank you very much. Thank you all.